In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background image in Google Sites. Adding a background image is a simple way to make your site look more professional and visually engaging. It helps break up plain sections and can highlight important content, like a header, an about section, or a call to action. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each click, so even if you're new to Google Sites, you'll be able to follow along easily. First, open your browser and go to your Google site in edit mode. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account and that you're looking at the site you actually want to edit, not just a preview. You should see the editing toolbar along the right-hand side and your page content in the center. Now, move your mouse over the section where you want to add a background image. This could be a specific content block, like a header section or a text area. As you hover over that section, you'll notice a light outline and some small controls appear near it. This shows you which section you're about to customize. Look for the small palette icon, which represents section colors and styles. It usually appears on the left side of the section when you hover over it. Click on this palette icon. A small menu will open, giving you options for themes or colors. This is where you can switch from a simple color background to an actual image. In that menu, you'll see an option to upload an image. Click on Upload. This tells Google Sites that you want to use an image file from your own device instead of a preset. A file browser window will pop up from your computer. Here, navigate to the folder where your image is saved. It's a good idea to choose a high-quality horizontal image so it doesn't look stretched or blurry. Once you've found the picture you want to use as your background, click it to select it, and then confirm by clicking Open. Google Sites will upload the image and automatically apply to that section as the background. Wait a moment for it to load, then check how it looks. If it's too busy, making your text hard to read, consider choosing a simpler image or adjusting your text color. When you're happy with the result, remember to click Publish so your visitors can see the updated background on your live site.